Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find user manual for your JBL Quantum 360X. So firstly, make sure that your headphones is turned on and connected with your dongle, and the dongle connected to your PC. After that, open the application, and if you did it, you just click on this headset and you will have this menu. Now go to the support, and then click on Quick Start Guide here. And right here we have user manual. I have it in Polish, but you will have in another language. It depends on your region here. So you just open it and you have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.